Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty and another unboxing of my gifted LookFantastic advent calendar. It is the 14th of December. We are getting so close to door number 25, but today is door number 14, so we're just gonna jump in and get a little bit unboxy. It is the Lupus Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream, Anti-Wrinkle Night Cream. I said last year I absolutely love a good Lupus night cream because they seem to be the only night creams that don't break me out, and LookFantastic and their little advent calendars always seem to answer my wishes. Oh, but that smells so perfumed but so good. It's such a thick cream in there. Nothing will come out when I shake it because it's just so thick. And I really love how far Lupus products go. You pay a lot for an Lupus product, but you also get value for money. And that just looks so elegant on a vanity. I've never tried the Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. I have tried the Sensitive Hydro Nourish Night Cream. It's the only night cream so far that I had tried that didn't break me out. But I think they've discontinued it. So I've been in the market for a new night cream, and lo and behold, LookFantastic behind day number 14 have delivered. I am excited to give this new Lupus night cream a go. Do you have any recommendations for me on any night creams that don't break you out, that are quite lightweight, that go a long way, are value for money? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye!